1980 Datsun 280ZX with 28 miles sells for $231,000 at auction. It looks like the era of inexpensive Japanese sports cars from the 1980s is coming to an end. Specifically, the hammer closed at $231,000 for this 43-year-old two-seater, one of many Datsuns and Nissans from the Mike and Debbie collection sold last week through Mecum Auctions. We've seen the 280's iconic predecessor bring beaucoup bucks in recent years. A 1970 Z432R fetched over $800,000 at a Japanese auction in 2020, and a 1971240Z landed at $310,000 later that year through Bring a Trailer. In fact, a Fairlady Z432 just sold from this same collection through Mecum for $297,000. Gallery, 1980 Datsun 280ZX 10th anniversary. Photo credit, Mecum Auctions, Daniel Hatchett. But we aren't talking about the OG Datsun sports car fetching $250,000. We're talking about the 280ZX, though admittedly, this particular car checks all the boxes for collectors. It's a 10th anniversary model, of which only 3,000 were made according to the auction description. Of those, only 500 were red with black, and this one reportedly stayed tucked away for pretty much its entire life. The ultra-low mileage essentially makes this classic ZX a time capsule, though it's a bittersweet time capsule for enthusiasts. It's also well optioned with power windows, a power driver's seat, a factory AM/FM cassette stereo, and lest we forget the 2.8-litre inline-six engine good for 135 horsepower. A photo showing the original window sticker reveals a manufacturer-suggested price of $13,990 in 1980, and a quick internet search shows many examples selling between $10,000 and $20,000 right now. We suspect those prices might tick upward once the dust from Monterey Car Week settles.